Hello all, welcome to Technostic. In the section of working with basics of computers, today we are going to see into fundamentals of computers. So there will be a short video on the fundamentals that you should need or you should know, so that you require to know. So let's get started. A computer system has four basic components, as we all know. The basic components of computer system are hardware, software, data, and users. Then hardware represents physical and tangible components of the computer: the keyboard that you use to give the input, the mouse, monitor, etc. Then we have input devices and output devices, that is keyboard, mouse, scanner are input devices, speakers, then monitors, etc. are output devices. This you can know. Then there is software. It is a set of electronic instructions called programs that make the computer perform task. So hardware is what we can touch. Software are the programs that are installed already or inbuilt instructions that we give or are inbuilt in the computers that to make the computer perform task. What is data? It is a set of facts which the computer stores and reads in the form of numbers. So data is what we give, or it is the set of facts and instructions that we give to computers that it stores, and then it reads and processes and then just gives the output. So data is the input that we give. Then users are people who make the use of the computers to obtain certain results and outcomes. So we are the users of computers because we are using the computers to get certain things done. So we are the users. So what are the basic parts of computer system? Hardware, software, data, and users. Then there is motherboard. Motherboard is like how we have brain. Similarly, in computer, that is CPU, central processing unit, you have a motherboard. What it is the main printed circuit board of a computer that carries the central processing unit, that is CPU chip, RAM, that is read-only memory, ROM, that is read-only memory, RAM, that is random access memory, and basic input-output system BIOS chip. Okay, so these are the full forms of the ROM, CPU, RAM, and BIOS that you should remember. Motherboard is just like a keyboard structure, that is a chip kind of thing. I don't have a picture over here right now, but you can just look into it. It's a green disc like this when you open a CPU, and it has embedded things in it, and it has the chip of CPU, that is central processing unit, that it has RAMs that store the random data, that is the primary data. Then there is read-only memory disk over here. Then there are basic input-output chips are also there in between. So that is what RAM is. So these were the fundamentals of computers. Thank you for watching this video. Please stay tuned for more such content to Technostic. Please do like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.